As-salamu alaykum everyone. Did you know that you are breaking your fast without even noticing it? Fasting during Ramadan is a time for spiritual reflection and devotion to Allah. To ensure your fast is valid, it's essential to know what breaks it. Let's explore what invalidates your fast and doesn't. First, let's see what breaks your fast. Certain actions invalidate your fast, including eating or drinking intentionally, even in small amounts, vomiting on purpose, receiving nutrients intravenously or through injections, swallowing food particles left in your mouth, and even smoking, as it reaches the stomach, breaks your fast. Now, let's see what doesn't break your fast. Brushing your teeth or using miswak is fine unless you swallow something. Rinsing your mouth or nose without swallowing water doesn't break the fast. Eardrops or eye drops are allowed unless they reach throat or stomach. Accidental eating or drinking doesn't invalidate your fasting, but eating whole plate of food or drinking whole bottle of water and saying you forget that you are fasting, what is that? Now, let's see the myths about fasting. Here are common myths that can cause confusion. Smelling food doesn't break your fast. Injection or vaccines without nutritional value are fine. Swimming or showering doesn't invalidate the fast unless you swallow the water. Naps during the day don't break the fast. Minor cuts or bleeding don't affect your fast. And yes, farting doesn't break your fast. How can you make your fast better? Enhance your fast spiritually, increase worship through extra prayers, Quran recitation, and zikr. Avoid negative behaviors like gossip, arguments, and anger. Help others with clarity and kindness. Ensure your intention is to please Allah, not just follow a ritual. Spend time with family and be mindful of your iftar meals. In brief, fasting is a spiritual journey that purifies the heart. By knowing what breaks your fast, avoiding myths, and focusing on worship, you can make Ramadan truly transformative. May your fast be accepted and bring you peace. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll make sure that you'll all get the tickets. Until next time, As-salamu alaykum.